Iowa has a handful of Amish communities. Horse and buggies like this one are part of that culture and are clues that members of that community live nearby. There's a religious rule in the Amish community that says they should not appear in photos or in videos. So it's a rare opportunity to get to take a camera inside an Amish workshop. The Amish Country Store in Lamoni is an interesting place to check out authentic Amish products like foods, quilts, and baskets. It's pretty common to see an Amish horse and buggy parked outside, too. What's not common is the opportunity to observe an Amish craftsperson at work creating the goods showcased in a store like this. Today we're going to meet Anna. She and her family are basket weavers, and we're going to see Anna's hands and hear Anna's voice as she teaches us how to weave a traditional Amish basket. Anna, why was that piece in water?
Because if it's dry, it will crack when I put the nails on it.
Oh, okay. Who taught you how to do the basket weaving?
Mom did some of it. So the aunts teach me too.
All done?
Yes.
So you have the base, you have the posts, and you've reinforced it. What's the next step?
Weaving.
Weaving.
It's a trick to keep the shape of the basket.
So tell me again, Anna, what's the last step here?
It's to put the top wrap on.
The top wrap on. Okay. Amish basket weaving in Decatur County is now an expanding craft instead of a dying craft. Why? Because the Amish families here are located in very rural areas. They used to only be able to sell their baskets to places that they could reach in a horse and buggy. But today, thanks to the internet and the help of a local businessman, the baskets that Anna's family weaves can be distributed nationwide, keeping a tradition that's been passed down for thousands of years going strong. And one more note, these Amish baskets are intended to be used. From pie holders to laundry baskets, they are practical pieces of art. Every county in Iowa is like a beautiful quilt of people and places and cultures. Here in Decatur County, the Amish community is woven in and appreciated.
Funding for Find Iowa has been provided by the following supporters: